wanted to have a place to carry tools. I just don't throw them in the back and they bang around. The glove compartment's full. There's a tray underneath. It's just not enough. I need a good place for the tools. So you can see that this fuse box right here and the battery, which is down there. Can you see that down there? The battery. They were both mounted over here. One day I sat down, very simple. I took the fuse box off, 2 bolts, put it over on this side, the 2 bolts back on. The battery sits down in there. I took the connections off. I put the wires through from this side to that side, plenty of wire. Put the battery down there, put the strap back on it, and hooked up the connections. Now, take a look over here. I don't know if you can see this, Dan. Can you? All the way over here. Can you see down in there? Oh, I got a great big spot. Anyway, so I got this big space down here. Oh, well, it's fantastic. So then I went and got a box, which fits down to that space, and this is a good box, you know, snaps on it, and waterproof, really good snaps. There you go. Waterproof, and I dropped the box down in there with my tools, or whatever else I need, and just so it doesn't bug me by banging around, I put a bungee cord on it, like this, around there like that, hook it back onto itself. So anyway, it was easier for me and it's easier for you. Move stuff around a little bit and make it a bit more useful. A couple of tips for you if you're into the country stuff, ATVs, UTVs. There's a couple of ideas for you. Maybe there's something in there for you. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.